Hey guys, it's Vanity, and today I have a hair tutorial for you. You're going to need some got2b glued mousse, or you can use any mousse. You're going to need a brush, and you're going to need a very big bun. You can find this at a local beauty supply. Also some bobby pins. Now I'm just going to brush my hair back until it is smooth. Now I'm going to use some of that mousse. I'm going to apply that much. Now I'm only going to apply it on the very front of my hair and the back parts of my hair. I'm not going to apply it all throughout the hair because I just need that hold for the top part so that it can look very smooth. Now that much for the back part of my hair. Now I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail. Put it up as high as you want the bun to sit. I'm going to put mine very high up because I want the bun to be towards the middle of my head. And I'm just going to continue to smooth out the hair as I go. And you want to take your time when brushing your hair out. This is going to ensure that the front of your hair is very smooth and nice looking. So take your time with this. Now I'm just going to tie it with a regular hair band. And once again, just smooth out any part of the hair that is not smooth. Now I'm going to take the big bun and I'm going to slip my ponytail through the middle, like you can see right here. Now I'm going to split my ponytail in two. And I like to take equal amounts of hair for both sides, as you can see. And I'm going to take one part and put it towards the front and allow the other part to be towards the back. I'm just going to spread the hair out so that it can cover the big bun mold that I'm using for this hairstyle. And take hair and distribute it as you see fit. If any other place needs hair, just spread it out. Now I'm just going to tuck the hair underneath the bun, and I'm going to smooth it out as I go so that it can cover the entire bun mold. And now I'm just going to make sure that the bun is completely covered so that you can't see the mold of the bun at all. And that's how it should look. Now I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to pin this hair down. I'm going to try and pin it in a way so that you don't see the bobby pins. And I'm just going to pin it down all around until it feels secure. If you need to readjust any bobby pin so that it's not showing, do so. And you can apply as many as you want. And this is how it will look pinned down. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at HeyVanity21. Thank you for watching.